Yeah, just here with an update regarding
I think you all had the judge denying Hopewell bail again, dismissing the appeal for bail. We have just been given the judgment, so we are going to study it and find out what the reasoning is and see what the next step will be. We cannot at this stage say this is what we will do next before we know what the reasons are. But naturally, we are extremely disappointed and we are stunned that actually was denied bail, which, as you all know, in terms of the Constitution, it is now an entitlement unless the state is able to prove compelling circumstances. I think everybody knows that what happens in Zimbabwe, how those who say they're fighting corruption are walking the streets with their corrupt looks in their pockets, and those saying you should be seen to be fighting corruption are getting more and more persecuted. I think everybody knows that the guilty ones are walking the streets and the innocent ones are being exposed to COVID in the prison.